Okay, so I cannot find online anywhere how to replace this starter. I found one video on how to locate the starter, and that was definitely a difficult task. But if you can look way back there, about the center of the screen, that is the butt end of the starter. It's really hard to get to. See, there it is. It's a little bit better view. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. And we're gonna go around. I'm on the passenger side of the vehicle currently. We're gonna go around to the front driver's side, and I've removed the air intake here. Sorry for the blurry image. All the way back here, you can just see that round bit poking out to the left of the screen, and that's the solenoid on top of the starter. Now I found that the starter only has 2 bolts, so if we go down here, this lower bolt here, the one in the center, I believe is going to be our top bolt on the starter, and the other one is going to be a little bit further down this way. But you can see from the top, I'll try and give you an easy how to tell. So you're just going to go down and just under there. That's the top bolt. The other one is just down there. I don't know if I can actually get an image of it, but there's only 2. They're both diagonally kind of mounted on the starter. So just to give you a little bit better idea of what you're looking at down there, here's the lower bolt, and there's the upper bolt. This is my replacement starter. So we were seeing the solenoid up here. This is the butt end of the starter that we were seeing down low, and this is the upper bolt. They screw in from this side, so essentially it'll go through the transmission into the starter, and so you're going to be taking them out that way. But essentially this top bolt here is the one I was trying to point out initially, and this lower bolt down here, it's possible that you may have to go underneath the car to get it, but I'll have to see. Okay, so I got the starter out. It's a pain. This connection here, this one closer to the camera, you have an indentation on it. I really can't get it to focus, but there's a protrusion / indentation where you want to press, and that will release the clip on the electrical connector, and this other one's just held on by a nut. This lower bolt, the easiest way to get to it is preferably with 2 people. You can have one person go underneath and kind of seat the socket, and then the other person up there wrenching it. It's a pretty tight fit, but you can get it with not too much trouble. But yeah, about to go for the reinstallation.